Hey everybody. So if you're in the market for a new saddle, the first thing you're going to want to do is take a saddle width measurement. It's super easy to do. There's only three key things that you need. The first is going to be a piece of crushed cardboard, and that's going to be the piece that you're going to sit on that's going to tell you the width of your sit bones or your ischial tuberosities. Second thing you're going to need is a ruler, preferably a metric ruler, because that's what the industry takes their measurement standards based off of. And then the final thing that you need is either a piece of chalk or a crayon. We prefer chalk just because you don't have to depress as hard on the cardboard to have the measurements stand out. So let's go ahead and we'll walk you through that process.
Set your crushed cardboard on a firm surface. When sitting, be sure that you're centered in the crushed cardboard and that your back angle and knee angle are roughly 90 degrees. If you need to, you can rock back and forth slightly to get a better indentation. Once you've set your indentations in the crushed cardboard, get your supplies, lightly rub on with a chalk or a crayon, and this will help you find the center of your ischial tuberosities. Once you've done that, find the center of each location and mark it. And once you've marked the center of that, you're going to take your ruler and measure the exact width. Once you've found the width, then you can go over to our calculator, which is linked below, enter in your measurement, and find the saddle that'll work for you.
All right, so you've got that saddle width measurement that you just did with the crush test. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take that measurement and plug it into the little calculator link that we have below for you. In that, it's going to take into consideration not only your measured width, but also your position and your posture on your bike. Those two things paired together are going to create a saddle width range. And that range is there for one key reason. And that reason is that each industry manufacturer, even though your width is going to be the same that you plug in for each manufacturer, the number that is going to be spit out for a saddle width is going to be slightly different. So we've got that range in there to help you find that saddle that's going to be perfect for you no matter the manufacturer that you're looking at. So hope this all helps out. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help you out, and happy riding.